Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to network with your client using LinkedIn. So initially, I told you guys na tuturuan ko kayo kung paano to network with your client using Facebook groups. But then I realized na mas maraming scams and mas prone sa scam ang Facebook. Kasi kahit nga dito sa atin, 'di ba? Dito sa Philippines na maraming nasa scam, kapwa Pilipino, we speak the same language. So, how much more kapag foreign na yung gusto natin in-network. So, dito sa LinkedIn, wala ding 100% foolproof na hindi kayo scam, but lesser yung chance kasi yung LinkedIn, mas yung mga profile nila, mas optimize. So, mapapansin nyo naman, if hindi optimize yung account nila, huwag nyo na lang sila i-add or i-follow or i-connect. Now, what you have to do first, you need to optimize your account. Kailangan na nakalagay na yung headline, about section, experiences ninyo. Itong part na to, lagay nyo na yung experience ninyo, kasali na yung mga description, short description, gaya ng ituro ko sa inyo sa nakaraan ng mga videos. You can also add your education. Pwede nyong tanggalin yung year para mas kung gusto nyo ng privacy. Add nyo na yung education ninyo, pati yung mga certifications. Pwede nyo na din i-add yung volunteering if you are a volunteer, and then yung skills. Skill set ninyo dito sa baba. Demonstrate skills. And then sa pinaka lower part, you can also feature yung mga recommendations from your previous clients. So, sa mga baguhan, you just have to... So, what you have to do is isi-search natin yung industry or yung target market na gusto ninyo. For example, gusto niyo maging virtual assistant ng mga coach. So, punta kayo dito sa search box and then type ninyo coach. Then, click enter. Once na lumabas na to, i-click nyo itong all filters, itong nasa gilid. All filters. And then, itong services, ito, click ninyo yan, and then, change to people. Okay? Para yung mga account yung lalabas. So, yung connection, pwede kayong pumili ng first, second, or third. But for me, I will just skip that part kasi gusto kong i-pull lahat ng makukuha na information from LinkedIn. So, connection of, kung may specific kayong, kunwari, may fina-follow kayo ng mga YouTuber, mga sikat na mga YouTuber, pwede nyo ilagay yung name nila dito para makuha yung connections nila. Okay? But for me, gusto kong i-follow yung connection Mr. Jefferson. Ito siya. Kasi fina-follow ko to si Mr. Fisher, yung mga videos na regarding communication. So, gusto ko yung mga connections niya. And then, pwede din ito, followers of, ayun, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, YouTuber, or mga taong kilala ninyo na influence, na laki yung influence nila, pwede nyo ilagay yung mga names nila dyan. But I will skip that part. Punta na ako dito sa location. Yung target ninyo na lugar. So, if target ninyo US, then just tick the box. If target ninyo ibang lugar, pagpalagay natin Europe, so pwede nyo nang i-type dito. Pwede nyo naman i-type dyan automatically. Specific na country, lagay ninyo. So for this one, I will just use US. And then, ano ba yung pinag-uusapan nila? Ano yung mga usual interest nila? Diba naturuan nyo kayo yung interest, psychographics, demographics, and behavior ng yung mga target client? So you can put it here. You can also, kung wala sa options, ilagay ninyo yung topic, i-click nyo lang yung search a topic. So for me, gusto ko to, entrepreneurship and coaching. Current company, skip that part. Kung meron naman kayong gustong makuha ng mga katrabaho from that company, for example, Google, lagay nyo na lang dyan. Past company, skip. School, if you have specific school, but for me, doesn't matter na. Industry, ano ba yung industry na gusto ninyo? Health coach? Love life coach? Yung mga ganon. So, for me, I will just choose business, consulting, and then ito, training, professional training and coaching. Yan yung industry na gusto ko. Profile language, mas gusto ko yung English, syempre kasi hindi naman tayo marunong mag-Spanish, Portuguese, French, at saka German. Guys, remember that US is a country. So, mix na yung mga tao dyan. Kaya make sure na naka-check yung English. Open to, skip that part. And then, kasi may mga, yung pro bono, ibig sabihin yung mga free and volunteer. May mga tao kasi guys na naghahanap sila ng mga free na mga coaches regarding dating, free coaches or free lawyers, yung mga beginners pa lang, kaya may nag-o-offer ng pro bono. Pero for us na hindi naman tayo avail ng service nila, makikipag-network tayo sa kanila para makuha natin sila as client. We will work with them. We will not avail their service, kaya i-skip nyo na yung part na yan. So, additional categories. So, ito, executive coaching, coaching and mentoring, consulting. You can add specific services here, okay? Categories. So, for me, kasi may nalagay na ako sa industry, I will skip na lang yung service categories. So, may specific na mga title na gusto ninyo, director, CEO, mga ganon, ilagay nyo na dyan. Specific names, and then their company. But for me, ito helpful to if may naghahanap kayo ng profile ng isang target client. Yung specific talaga. Lalo na kapag naka-receive kayo ng offer gamit yung platform ninyo, pwede nyo silang i-search here sa LinkedIn para makita if totoo sila no, existing yung accounts nila. So, click show results. Automatically, lalabas na lahat yung ipupull nila ng mga information. So, ayan. For here, meron lang tayong 9 result. Konti lang. Bakit? Kasi naglagay tayo ng specific na tao. Contacts ni Mr. Jefferson Fisher. Now, gusto ko siyang tanggalin. Just click reset. Show results. Mas marami na yung lumabas, guys. Ayan, 8,000 results. So, what you have to do, piliin ninyo kung sino yung gusto ninyong ma-network. You can choose to follow them or add them, connect with them. And then, for example, piliin natin to si Stephanie Kwok. Make sure na you are engaging with them. You can choose to follow or you can choose to connect. Click nyo lang itong more and then connect. So once, ayan, connect. You can add a note. Specific, kapag sinabing add a note, pwede na kayong magsulat dito ng, hi, I am Mermel. I would love to connect with you. Mga ganon. But for me, I just usually send without a note. But it's a bad practice. But for me, kasi I'm not looking for a client now, so there's no need for me to be more specific, and hindi naman siya yung target market ko. So, it's fine. Connection lang. Now, what you have to do, you have to engage with that target client's posts. Engage kayo. Like ninyo yung mga post nila, i-comment, mag-comment kayo sa post nila. So, for example, ito si 9 months ago pa siya nag-post. So, that's really long na, no? Na hindi siya masyadong active dito. So, you need to check that also. Kikita nyo naman yan dito sa post, sa activity. And then, sa post nila, makikita yung time. Ayan, 9 months ago, 11 months ago. So, this is not, for me, this is not a good account to connect with or to follow kasi hindi siya masyadong active. So, but you can also try na message nyo siya. Actually, guys, pag sinabi kasi natin na networking, Hindi ito automatic no na kapag bukas kakuha ka na agad ng client. No. This is a long-term strategy. Kailangan nyo silang kaibiganin. Parang dating. Hindi mo naman papakasalan yung tao na nakilala mo lang ngayon, di ba? It will start out, kilalanin nyo sila, alamin nyo yung name nila, yung gusto nila, di ba? And then, if you like each other, then you started dating, and then after that, dyan na papasok yung idea ng marriage. So, parang ganon din sa client. Hindi automatically, lalong-lalo na if beginner, hindi pa masyadong optimize. Kaya, sinasabi ko, optimize your profile accounts. Kasi the more na mas optimize yan, the more na mas attractive sa kanila, the more na mas makikita nila na, asset ang taong ito. And sulit yung bayad ko sa kanya, i-hire ko siya. So, that's it for client networking. And eventually, ilang engagement ba? I would suggest at least 3. 3, 4, or 5. Like, comment and like sa mga post nila. And then, doon na kayo mag-chat sa kanila. Pitch your service. Hi, I am Ramel. I am offering virtual assistant services. If you need help, just send me a message. Mga ganun. Okay? Message them directly. So again, this is for long-term strategy. If mas gusto ninyong mas mabilisan makaland ng client, then I would suggest you find mga small agency na mga virtual assistants. Kasi ito is, again, long-term strategy. Will take you weeks or months bago kayo makaland ng client using networking. But you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know talaga, guys. I will give you an example, okay? Okay, so this is an example from Gaylene. Itong si Gaylene, nag-reach out siya sa akin using OLJ, and then gusto niya akong kunin as EA. So, eventually, pag nag-reach out siya, nag-submit ako ng resume, we had series of interview. I think 3 times yung interview. And sobrang tagal kasi sobrang, yun nga, may ano kasi to si Gaylene, parang coaching or expert siya sa isang profiling ng isang parang personality test na naalala nyo yung tinake nyo na test from Enneagram and MBTI. So, kind of similar, but on this one-on-one talaga, interview and answer, question and answer, ganun. So, ang nangyari dito, ito si Gaylene, trabaho, di ba? Kasi online jobs PH. Nag-reach out sa online jobs PH, nag-interview, and then we both decided na it doesn't fit my personality. Kasi sabi nila EA. But then, ang gusto pala niya is more on customer service side. Customer service. Which is, ayoko na ng ganong position. Although, I have that experience before, but I realized na it's not for me. That kind of job title doesn't suit my personality. So, ang nangyari, naging kaibigan ko siya, guys. Naging network ko siya. And nag-refer pa siya sa akin ng mga client. So that's why, itong sa LinkedIn, kahit hindi kayo makakuha talaga ng client, makapag-form lang kayo ng connection. That is the importance of network. Kasi i-refer na nila kayo sa mga kaibigan or kakilala nila. Ito si Gaylene, nag-refer siya sa akin ng mga kaibigan kakilala niya. And we became friends. And imagine, naging mentor ko siya. Sa totoo lang, guys, if we will visit her profile, if i-hire ko siya as mentor, I cannot afford it. That's the truth. I cannot afford her. But dahil doon sa job opportunity na hindi ko nakuha, I somehow manage to make it work on my part. Which is funny talaga kasi hindi ko siya nakuha sa client, but I gained her as a friend and as a mentor, which is so nice, and she's so sweet. So, that is the importance of creating connection. Huwag kayong matakot, guys. Parang gagawa lang kayo ng mga friends. Parang sa Facebook before, 'di ba? Usong-uso yung add i-add, mag-friend request kayo para marami kayong friends. Ganun sa LinkedIn. Okay? So I hope this video is helpful, and make sure na you use the filtering that I taught you, the filtering option, para mas madali kayo makapag-form ng connection using LinkedIn, and eventually makapag-land kayo ng client.